Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to talk about those important nutrients that can save you from injuries, or if you are injured, then they can accelerate your recovery. So let's get started. So when it comes to injuries, the most common ones that I hear from athletes are ACL tear or meniscus tear, then shin splints, then knee injury and Achilles tendon rupture. And when you are into high intensity vigorous sports, then your muscular system is definitely at risk of injuries. And statistics suggest that approximately 1 lakh to 2 lakh ACL ruptures happen every year. And among them, approximately 64% of athletes suffer knee injury if they are in cutting and pivoting sports. And when it comes to India, we have data in Kabaddi, where 89.74% of athletes suffer ACL injuries. And according to a study conducted at Safdarganj, New Delhi, the prevalence of sports injuries among athletes is roughly 73.4%. And the most common ones are abrasion followed by sprain, bruises and strain. So before I get into the actual nutrients required for injury management, I would like to share certain factors that can actually affect your injury healing time. And among them, the first one is any kind of underlying infection, because it can delay your injury healing. Then injuries to the face heal much faster due to rich blood supply, whereas injuries to the lower body takes time as there is poor blood supply. Then movement delays healing, so make sure you take enough rest for good recovery. Another very important factor when it comes to injury management are type, size and location of injury. Then injury healing or wound healing is faster in young than adults. Then vitamin and mineral deficiencies can delay your recovery time, and improper diet high in sugar and refined fats can be an added problem. Then hormonal disorders like insulin sensitivity, then high levels of cortisol or estrogen can also affect your recovery time. And lastly, emotional eating or binge eating can lead to increased weight, decreased mobility, and all these things can lead to delay in your recovery time. So athletes, as I always say, nutrition is an important pillar to an athlete's peak performance. A well-balanced and crafted nutrition plan not only boosts your performance, but it also is an important supportive aid when it comes to injury management or recovery. So athletes, you cannot prevent an injury, but you can definitely work on yourselves for better and faster recovery and can reduce the chance of any kind of injury. So here are few important nutrients that you should focus on. Number one, collagen. So collagen is the most abundant protein in our body. It is a fibrous protein found in tendons, ligaments and other connective tissues. It provides elasticity, tensile strength, eases joint pain, helps in healing and building muscles. So the major sources are fish, eggs, chicken, gelatin. However, some of the amino acids like proline, lysine and arginine helps in the synthesis of collagen in our body. So the vegetarians, you can get the benefit of collagen from broccoli, buckwheat, spirulina, etc. Second important nutrients are vitamin C and D. Vitamin C helps your body to make collagen. So it's very important to get enough vitamin C in your diet to rebuild tissues after an injury. And you can get vitamin C from citrus fruits, guava, pineapple and broccoli. Another important nutrient for bone health is vitamin C. So make sure you get your vitamin D supplement under the guidance of a health professional. And to know more in detail about all these nutrients important for athletic performance, make sure to check out my detailed video on this topic. Another important nutrients are minerals like calcium, magnesium, zinc and potassium. So along with vitamin D, calcium is an important component of bone health. Then magnesium is needed to activate all the enzymes that metabolize vitamin D in the body and is an important cofactor in a lot of biochemical pathways. Again, I have a detailed video how magnesium helps in boosting athletic performance. Make sure you check out that video. Link is given on top and in the description box below. Then similarly, zinc is a component of many enzymes enzymes and proteins, including those that are required for wound healing, tissue repair, and growth. In fact, studies show that zinc deficiency can delay wound healing. So make sure you include foods like meat, fish, shellfish, chicken, pulses, seeds, nuts, leafy greens, and whole grains to include all these nutrients that I just mentioned in order to improve your recovery. Next important nutrient is omega-3 fatty acids. After an injury, the first phase of wound healing will always include some inflammation, and this initial inflammatory response is beneficial and is required for proper healing. But later on, this inflammation needs to subside. So omega-3 fatty acids have anti-inflammatory effect. They fight inflammation and accelerate the rate of recovery. So you can get omega-3 fatty acids from fatty fish, then flax seeds, walnuts, and avocado. Next on the list are phytonutrients like papain and bromelain, also called proteases. Proteolytic enzymes like bromelain and papain are the enzymes that break proteins in the body or on the skin. This will help with wound healing, reducing pain and swelling. And fruits like pineapple and papaya are the richest source of these phytonutrients. And the last one in the list is curcumin. So athletes, in the past I have made couple of videos just on curcumin, and all those videos I have linked here on top. So curcumin is a powerful anti-inflammatory compound present in turmeric. So you can either take raw turmeric or in the form of supplement. It helps in fighting inflammation, reducing pain and swelling. So athletes, it is evident how small changes or inclusions in your diet can help you at the first step and decrease the chance of any kind of injury. So make sure you allow your body to recover well by resting and then following a healthy nutrition regime. And for expert guidance, you know where to contact. And if you like this video, then make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. As usual, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.